Hi guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. As promised, we are doing not one but two giveaways this week. Rules are the same. If you're subscribed to this channel, live within the United States, all you have to do is answer the one question I'm going to ask you somewhere in this video and comment down below. And on this date, we will randomly select a winner from the comments. So we have mostly stamps in this giveaway, kitchen supplies, all you need in the kitchen, and some cute animals with some sentiments. Very good details. This one is more like a journal style. This one is more card making. So I did mention in the other giveaway, this is giveaway number 2, that I had this big sheet of stencil that's too big to ship and I don't want to damage it by folding it. So what I had to do is cut it out. In this one, this giveaway, we are doing the sentiment and a large leaf. And this is beautiful. I love using stencils like this because you can get creative with the coloring and the shadowing, unlike with stamps. With stamps you can also get away with shadowing, giving it depth, but with stencil you can get more details in. Love birds. And oh, what is that flower called? Hydrangea, I think. Let me double check. Yes. So these are 3 layered. I love these because you can make the background lighter and the front darker, or the other way. I love using the three layered colors. Let's see, we got die. This is to tag. And then we also have mushrooms. This has 6 mushroom dies. And then this one. This is really good for vintage journals, or journals if you're using colorful colors. And it has a couple of French sentiments. And then let's see, we got some washies. 5 washies. This one is the vintage animal that I ordered bulk from. Somehow it came in bulk. So this one you might have seen from the previous videos. And this one, let's look at this one. These are from a set. This is the last one for the set that I've been taking apart for the last 2-3 giveaways, I think. And each roll has their own color themed stuff. So the first little bit you take off is a sticker thing. I'm gonna put that back. Let's see what's on this roll. So we got flowers, cats, fishes, mushrooms, oh, coffee. So yeah, these. Perfect for journaling. And this is really thick if you look right here. These 3 came from a set. And that set has, I think, 12 or 16 rolls. So the first one, we have a little bit of gold in it. This is flower ones with see-through background. And this is mostly like gold, and it's slightly pinkish. And then this one, we have buildings. Very beautiful. Great details. It's free stuff. So even if you don't like it very much, you can always give these away to friends. Okay, a couple more. 2 more stamps. 2 more stamps, and then another one. I'm saving the cutest for the last. My question is, do you have any pets? If yes, what kind? Cat, dog, bird, snake, reptile. What do you have? If you don't have a cat or dog or any pet, it's okay. Just say, I don't have any pets. But if you wish to have a pet, then let me know what kind of pet you wish to have. I have a dog and a cat. I had a pet tarantula. He died and I taxidermied him. So that's the question. What kind of pet do you have? If you have any. If you don't, that's okay. You can still comment down below and participate in the giveaway. This is the last one. I think it's so cute. I put this is duplicate. I put this in the animal fashion because they're animals wearing clothes, which is, I think it's so adorable. You rock. So that was it for giveaway number 2 for this week. As you know, just comment your answer down below and we will pick, the YouTube random picker will select one of you to win this. And if you have not applied for the other one that's open, make sure you go and do so. It's the giveaway that says open. So if you go to my channel and then you go to the videos, and in the first row you will see 2 videos, this and the other one that says open with caps. Open giveaway. Those are the 2 giveaways that are open right now. If you want, you can apply to both. I wish you the best of luck.